My hamster eating chicken wings. She loves it. She's eating chicken wings. Quickly, come look. She loves it.
Wow, it's so big. It's so pretty. My goodness.
She loves that chicken wing. Look at that.
My hamster eats chicken wing apparently, which is really good for her because it's protein, right?
Yeah, look, oh my god.
Kill that thing, Snowball. Go kill it. It's already dead.
Good job, Snowball.
She's ripping it. Now her claws are gonna be sticky. Whenever she has sticky claws, can I just fill a tub up with water and just put her paws in there and take her back out?
Nah, just get like a wet paper towel.
Okay. She's wiping her nose now with her sticky paws. Here I go.
See how we made her this new playground? Out of cardboard.
It's epic. You did a good job on it, Dad.
Thank you.